Hey loves, hey boo boo, hey everyone. It's been a minute. I've been MIA for so long. I know. But I'm here, I am back, and I'm better. To my OGs, you know what this channel is about. But to my new subscribers, oh God, I miss you all so much. I haven't had time to introduce myself. So this video is for me to reconnect with you and reintroduce myself to you. I am the face behind Trina hair. I am Trina. So I own a wig making business based in Accra, Ghana that deals in luxury and custom wig units and braided wig units that are handmade, premium braided wigs. So if you are interested in all that, you can check the description for all my social media handles. But as I am back, I am better. It's only wise for me to tell you why I've been away for so long. It's been a long time. My OGs, you know, it's been a long time. But I'm back, you know how we do it. Life has been life, and a lot has been happening. Building a personal brand and running a hair business and a whole lot. And this also happened. And we got a shop. We are 2 years into our shop right now. I haven't even updated you guys. Oh, it's been a long time. Forgive me. But I'm going to show you everything, the behind the scenes that happened whilst I was away. And to my OGs and to my new subscribers, if you are interested in building a hair business, or you are already into the hair business and you want to level up, if you love wig making, if you love braids, this is the right place for you to be. So share to your friends, share to another, tell a friend to tell a friend that Trina hair is back. We are back and better. We are going to be tackling behind the scenes wig making tutorials, how to thrive in your hair business, the advice, the setbacks, everything. So stick and stay with me. Like, subscribe, share to everyone, and enjoy all the juicy tips I'm going to drop for you. So if you're excited about it, let me see in the comment section. Be liking right now, because we are going to be very consistent, back to back. But anything at all that you want me to make a video on, whether you're doing tutorials, advice, tips, anything, just let me know in the comment section and I'll address everything. Bye. I love you. And click the notification button so you don't miss out on our next video. Because trust me, our next video, I'm so excited to make it. Love you. Bye. Like and subscribe.